Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a smart light from a company called Govee, a smart wall light. Alright, before we get started, 1, I'm not an expert. 2, I'm just a guy with a little tech and gadgets. And 3, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. Alright, and if you can, do me a favor, go down there and hit that subscribe button. Alright, appreciate it. Alright, like I said, today we're going to be taking a look at a smart wall light from a company called Govee. This is something I've been looking for a while, and I've been wanting to get it. Not sure where I'm going to put it because there's a bunch of places I want to put it, but I've been looking for this bad boy for a while. It's kind of like the cheaper version of the LIFX, like the light bar. But let me give you some specs with it first. Reading off the website. It's the Govee RGBIC Smart Wall Light. The Glide Lively Wall Lights. It says Glide Lively Wall Lights, multicolor segmented control, and music sync. Okay, so it'll flash with the music. It also says home decor LED light bars for gaming and streaming and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. All right. So here's the box. Nothing special on the box, but you see right here it says works with both smart assistants right there. I don't want to set them off like I already did. And you see right here it says the RGBIC company logo. We go ahead and take this bad boy over to the unboxing table and see what's inside the box. All right. Yo, Skippy, help me out. Okay, we're at the unboxing table. Let's see what we got inside the box. All right. As you see, like I said earlier, it works with both smart assistants. Govee making life smarter. Nothing else. Let's go ahead and get into this box. See what's in here. Okay. Trying to get this thing to bend. Okay. We got an instructions booklet, and like it, share it. All right. Put that to the side. Let's see what else. Before we get the lights out, we have like an adapter, control box or whatever. No, it's a control box. What? Okay, you got in the control box, you got alcohol prep pads. Let's put them to the side. You got some Velcro strips. And let's see what else we got in here. Tear this bad boy open. Let's see. Come on, open up. Alright. I guess this right here will plug into your lights. See the cords right here. This is a control box. We got the power button, and you have the brightening control, and I want to say this is the mode control. Not sure yet. Gotta do some more testing, but let's continue to get everything else out the box. Let's see here. This is the adapter. Toss that box. Alright, here is the power brick, and this is how it would connect to the control box, just like that. And there you go. Alright, let's see what else we got in the box. Let's put this to the side over here real quick so that make more room. We got the lights itself, so you get 6 different lights. They're packed real nice. I mean, I like how they got it packed. It's nice and packed good, so it won't it won't break in shipping. But the thing I didn't like is that when I got in the mail, it came just in this plain box where everybody knew what you got, and you put it at the doorstop. I mean, they should have put it in a plain box instead of shipping it in this box by itself. But anyway, let me stop venting. got 1, 2, 3. Let's see the bottom. We got the 3 more lights. Let's take these out. Move this box to the side. Get this box out of our way. Alright, I'm just going to unwrap one of these right now. Let's see here. Don't mind the noise. Like I said, my office is right on the main street, so it is what it is. Alright, here is the light itself. Alright. Alright, let's see. Looks like the light is coming in at almost 15 inches. As you can see right here, almost 15 inches. So, yeah, so each one of them is about almost 15 inches. Alright. Alright, let me go ahead and put one of these together and see how they work, and then we'll go back over to the desk. Alright? Alright, yo Skippy, hook me up. Okay, now that we're back at the desk, I have it, all out of the box. Let's take a look at a couple of these light bars. The first one, and this is the top. This is the first one because how you would know it doesn't have any kind of slots on it. It's just a flat surface. It only has a slot on one end. So this will be the first one, and it also has some. Also, all of them have sticky tape on the back, which they have Velcro. So if you want to change your mind and put it somewhere else, and I think that's why they give you an extra set. So if you want to put it somewhere else, in another room, you can move it if you want to. But this one only has these two are the only ones that have one slot. So it's one for right and left, and they're easy to put together. So I recommend putting these two together first, and then before you plug this the last one in, and before you put the power source in it, like I already got it in there, I had to force it in there. I would recommend you do this one first, because trying to force it in there with these, it looks like right here in the crease, it looks like it's going to bend or break, and I didn't want to take a chance in breaking it. So I would recommend, when you get ready to put the power source in, like the power cord, just hold it right here and be very careful, and go ahead and stick it in like that. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one together, and then we're gonna put the other one together. Like I said, all of them have this sticky tape on the back of them, so you can move them. All right. Bam, simple. It's simple and easy. You see how that feel like it's bending? I would be very careful with it. All right, here's the power source, the power cord, or whatever you want to call it, right here. And on that cord, you also have a control box. You can control the brightness and the power on and power off. I'm not really too sure what this button is for. I'm not sure if it's for, changing the cycles or changing the modes or whatever it is, but we'll see that in a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy up. And I already have it set up in the app, because I already got it connected to everything I needed to connect it to. And one of the coolest features I like about it is that you can control it with your smart assistant. If you got the one that starts with an A, you can control it with that one. Or if you got the one that starts with a G, you can control it with that one. I don't want to say the full names because I don't want to set them off. I know that kind of irritates some people, so I don't want to set it up from that one. But I am going to have to say it, part of it in this video, to demonstrate that, all right? But we got to go get to that part right now. So I just want to take a look at it. Right now, it's at 100%. What I'm going to go ahead and do, and it's also in music mode, so you could tell every time I talk, it's flickering. So what I'm going to do is cut off the lights so we can see how they look in the dark, all right? And it's at, right now it's at 100%. I'm going to change it to 40%. I'll put it back at 100%. All right, let me hit these lights, all right? Hold tight. All right, now that we got the lights off, we're gonna go check out these lights and see how they look in the dark. Also, as you can see the app, you gotta make sure you download the app. You can have several different colors. Also, you can do it to different scenes, music mode. You can go a DIY mode. I don't know if you're seeing that because I know it's getting blurry right here. But also you can control it with your smart device, all right? So let's go show you some of the colors on here. And this is at 50% brightness. Now if I turn this bad boy up to 100%, this thing is ultra bright. So I will advise you to keep it See that? I would advise to keep it at about 50%, because I mean, this is bright. Here's blue, and I meant to change that one. There we go. Because you can also, in gradient mode, you can also change the segments by pressing on the little dots on the side. You can you want to change it and change that one to red. Bam, you got one of them is red. All right, I'm gonna change it back to full colors. We got green. Let's check out some of the scenes on here, because they already got some scenes already made up, so you don't have to make them up. Let's check out one of the first scenes. This one is excited. This is a pretty cool one too. I like this one right here. Also, let's see another one. Cheerful. About the same. Let's go over here to game. That scene is called Game. Yeah, I like that one right there. Let's go to another one. Technology. That one's pretty cool too. I like that one. That one's cool too. Romantic. Alright, you want to go on a date, or you want to do a little something for your special person? Got a romantic right here. Let's go ahead and see another one. Christmas. Yeah, put the Christmas on there. That's pretty cool. For the Christmas, have it up there, where your Christmas tree is or something, Let's see, dance party. Alright, dance party ain't really doing nothing. This is birthday. Let's find another good one. Let's see here. Aurora. That's a good one. Let's check out Rainbow. That's a good one right there. I got another one on here that I really like. Oh, Rainstorm. That one's pretty cool too. And then you got Meteor. Alright. Also, you can control it with your smart device too. So I'm going to demonstrate that real quick. Alexa, turn off Govee Glide.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Govee Glide.
Okay.
Alexa, set Govee Glide to red.
Okay.
Too cool. Alexa,
No.
set Govee Glide to 100%.
Okay.
Too cool. Alright, but you know how your boy Mark do. When it comes to music mode, I got to display one of them bangers from Epidemic Sound. One of them banging tracks of Epidemic Sound, to go ahead and test out the music mode. And that's my favorite mode, alright? Alright, settle back and get ready.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
back with the lights on. I hope you guys enjoyed that track. That track was from Epidemic Sound. The website that is down there. The link to that website is down there in the description box. And the name of the artist was King Sis. All right, and the song was called Better. All right, you know I always gotta put a new track from Epidemic Sound on. Yeah, I can't even get it right. Epidemic Sound. All right. But what one of the things, as you saw in the music mode, it has several different like scenes or modes inside the music mode. Like music mode, you got it was like energetic, rhythm, spectrum, rolling, soprano, hopping, piano, keys, fountain, day and night, sprouting, and shiny. All right. I don't know if you can see all that right there. Hopefully you can see it. Open this syncing too. You can see it ain't blurry. All right. So you know you got several different things, man. You know, like I said, if you want to spice up your gaming setup, or you know, or you just want to spice up, you know, a kid's room, whatever you want to spice up. You don't live in a dorm room, whatever. Trust me, you want to get these lights, cause one, you know, you don't got to put screws in the wall for them. They got good sticky tape on the back, so you ain't got to worry about messing up the walls. I mean, and plus they're simple. Very simple to put up, you know, at a good price, way cheaper than the Philips, you know. Like, I mean, I think the Philips lights, you know, or the LifeX lights, they're way expensive. It's just too much. But these come in at a more reasonable price. But if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you notified new videos. Tell a friend. And like I said, if it's something that I forgot, you know, I know it's, you know, there's probably gonna be some more questions about it, what have you. Leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information on this product. If it's something that I left out, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy that loves tech and gadgets and like to showcase new products right here on the channel, alright? Alright. Like I say, if it's something that you want to know specific, click on that link below and find out more information. Or if you want to pick one up for yourself, go ahead and hit that link down there. I think I'm going to have to pick up a couple more too myself. You know, I'm digging these Govee lights. Alright? Alright, Govee, if you're out there, hit me up. Alright. This has been your boy, Mark for Little Screws Reviews. And like I said, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. Let's see. The message for the day is work smart, not harder. Again, work smart, not harder. Alright? That's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark for Little Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out.